Here are the instructions for being able to graph these emojis. First, we're going to start with the equation for a circle. We have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. H and k come out and form your center of your circle. R stands for the radius. So when you go to your worksheet on emoji number 1, you will see the equations x plus 13 squared plus y minus 15 squared equals 49. X plus 15 squared plus y minus 6 squared is equal to 1. And x plus 11 squared plus y minus 16 squared equals 1. These are all three circles that you're going to draw on your graph paper. So we start, I'm going to go through each one of these. The first one is x plus 13 squared plus y minus 15 squared equals 49. The numbers 13 and 15 become your center, but when you bring them outside the parentheses, instead of positive, it becomes negative, and instead of negative, it becomes positive. So it's negative 13, positive 15. So the center of your circle is at negative 13, 15. Your radius, you take the number, you take the square root of that number, and it becomes 7. So our radius is 7. For the second equation, we have x squared plus 15, x plus 15 squared equals y minus 16 squared equals 1. So again, our center comes from our h and k, so instead of positive 15, it becomes negative 15. And instead of negative 16, it becomes positive 16, so our center is at negative 15, 16. We take 1, we take the square root of 1 to get our radius, and we get 1. The reason why we're taking the square root is it's the opposite of squaring a number. And then the last equation, x plus 11 squared plus y minus 16 squared equals 1. Positive 11 becomes negative 11. Negative 16 becomes positive 16, or so our center is at negative 11, 16.